Topps Match Attax Extra 22-23 pack opening. Let's get right into it. See if we can... There we go. Okay. Right, we have Sergio Busquets away kit. We have Weston McKennie squad update. David Alaba away kit. Louis Alberto away kit. We have Gonzalo Inacio away kit. Ange Postecoglou manager. Grant Xhaka away kit. Graham Potter manager. Cold card. Good luck with it. Then Adam Moy squad zone. Then Dejan Kulusevski mega value. Kai Havertz out of this world. And Topps Heritage man of the match Luka Modric. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a need actually. Not a bad pack. No, say it all the time, but I'll take it. And I'll see you in the next one.